Hey guys, Aaron Williams here with MarineMax Jupiter. Behind me we have a 2025 Sea Ray SDX 270. It is a brand new redesign of this model, and it is equipped with a 300 horsepower Mercury. So I'm excited to jump on board and show you exactly what they've done. Okay, so starting here on the transom, we got a nice big sun lounger, really comfortable spot to lay out. As you can see, they pushed the entrance off to the starboard side, really opening up the layout back here. We've got a freshwater shower, Fusion remote control system for the stereo, so you don't have to get up and change the either the song or the music. With USB and USB-C charging, and we've got access to our batteries and battery switches back here. This boat is equipped with a battery charger, so you can plug it in and always be ready to go. It does have the optional ski tow pylon that does connect into the floor here for all your water sports needs. And then we'll step inside of the boat. That on our way in, we can note that we do have an in-floor cooler or wet storage. You can throw life jackets, dock lines, anything you want in there, and it has a drain. So inside the cockpit of the 270, you can see the way they redesigned it, just opened it up for a lot more seating. So we have a big L-shaped lounger right here. This backrest moves forward and backwards to give you the optional more space this way or more space forward. Do have another L-shaped seating area right here where the captain's chair does backrest slides forward to open up the cockpit space for when you're entertaining. Underneath this seat here, we have storage. It is insulated and does drain, so you can use it as a cooler. And then Sea Ray's added wireless chargers next to all the cup holders and the gunnels, as well as our USB and USB-C charging ports. So no matter where you're sitting on this boat, you have a place to put your phone or plug it in. Do have an optional table for back here, so you can really turn this cockpit space into an entertaining area. Moving up to the helm here, for the 270, what I really like is they went with a double wide seat. So you can sit with your partner and have a co-captain sit right next to you. But then you also have another seat over here for someone else, so you can have 3 people all facing forward and riding together. This is where they really start to make a lot of changes with the layout. So they moved the head over to the starboard side, giving you a small storage compartment over here, but they moved the Fusion head unit over here, so your co-captain has full control over the music, letting you focus on driving and navigating. And then they really increased the size of the head here. So you got some cushions down there if you want to get out of the sun for a little bit, use the restroom, or change quickly for dinner, or have a nice place to tuck the kiddos away. So we'll have a massive in-floor storage locker here for all your water sports toys, any type of tubes, things like that. And then moving forward, as you can see, they redesigned the entire windshield. It is now one big curved glass, really opening up the visibility of the boat, making it flow a little nicer and giving it that sporty look. And then up here in the bow, we have a really big seating area, a space for a table, in-floor storage, and storage underneath the seats here. But really give you a nice area to hang out, increase the size of the front deck space here, giving you access to your ladder and windlass anchor. Again, they put chargers up here as well, so no matter where you're sitting on this boat, you've got power for any of your devices. As we make our way back to the cockpit, Sea Ray does give you a really nice option to close off the area in case it's a little chilly out there or you run into some bad weather. You can really shut this down and it blocks a lot of that wind and rain once you're behind the windshield. That's just a quick overview of the brand new SDX 270 from Sea Ray. If you guys want to see this boat in person and really get a feel for the layout, you can contact me, Aaron Williams, at MarineMax Jupiter. And if you want to see other boats like it as well, we've got a full range of Sea Ray products here. So we look forward to seeing you guys out on the water, and hopefully get you into Sea Ray.